He answered shrewdly. She replied shrewdly. He spends his time shrewdly. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Sunil Kumar. Guys, today we will learn a very useful English word, shrewdly. This word is easy and very common in spoken English. What does shrewdly mean? The word shrewdly means acting in a clever and smart way. When a person understands a situation quickly and makes a smart decision, we say that person acted shrewdly. Shrewdly is an adverb. It tells us how an action is done. Let's talk about structure. Structure is very simple: subject, verb, and shrewdly. Listen carefully to these examples. He answered shrewdly. She replied shrewdly. He spends his time shrewdly. She spoke shrewdly in the meeting. He spends his money shrewdly. He decided shrewdly. So guys, if you liked this lesson, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and keep learning with me. Thank you.